Welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll guess the meme song by Emoji. Let's see if you can guess all the memes in this video. We prepared 30 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Question 1. Can you guess what this meme song is? Yes, it's that one guy. Question 2. Guess this meme song. Nice, the Ronaldo Sui's the correct answer. Question 3.
5, 6, Mr. Beast kicks! Yo!
That was sick.
That is fire!
Guess the singer behind this song. Can you do it? Yes, it's Mr. Beast 1 2 Buckle My Shoe.
5, 6, Mr. Beast kicks! Yo!
That was sick.
That is fire!
Question 4. Oh wow, it's Mr. Beast Megalovania. Question 5. Mr. Beast 1 2 Buckle My Shoe versus Mr. Beast Megalovania.
5, 6, Mr. Beast kicks! Yo!
That was sick.
That is fire!
Which is your favorite meme? What's your choice? Let us know your opinion by leaving a comment below. Question 6. Which meme does this song match? Bingo! It's Skibbity Dum Dum Yes Yes. Question 7. This is a very famous meme song. Can you guess its name? It's Megan. Question 8. This meme song's very popular. What's this? You're right, it's Skibbity Toilet. Question 9. Can you tell us which meme this is? Excellent, it's Skibbity Toilet Mario. Question 10. Skibbity Toilet Original versus Skibbity Toilet Mario. Which version of Skibidi Toilet do you think is more fun? Which version is funnier? Let us know your opinion by leaving a comment below. Question 11. Do you remember which meme song this is? You're so smart, it's Happy Monkey Circle. Question 12. How about this one?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
Right, it's Sonic.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands above my head.
Question 13.
My favorite food is fish.
Baby, that's my favorite too.
I love.
It's Red Flags.
My favorite food is fish.
Baby, that's my favorite too.
I love.
Question 14.
I sit by myself talking to the moon.
Who do you think this song belongs to? Yes, it's Nobody Sausage.
I sit by myself talking to the moon.
Question 15. Find the odd one out. Exactly. Question 16. Do you recognize this meme? Correct, it's Megalovania. Question 17. Can you guess the meme song?
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands.
The answer is SpongeBob.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands, hands.
Question 18. Listen closely. Do you know this meme song? Exactly, it's original Smurf Cat. Question 19. Do you know who's singing?
If we live the wheel on the wheel line, we're the ones on the little feline.
It's CG5 Smurf Cat.
If we live the wheel on the wheel line, we're the ones on the little feline.
Question 20. Original Smurf Cat versus CG5 Smurf Cat.
If we live the wheel on the wheel line, we're the ones on the little feline.
Which is your favorite meme? What's your choice? Let us know your opinion by leaving a comment below. Question 21.
Afro circus, Afro.
Guess the character that this song's suitable for. Well played, it's Afro Circus.
Circus, Afro circus, Afro.
Question 22. Do you recognize this meme song? Great job, it's Among Us. Question 23. Can you guess who sings this meme song? That's good, it's Shrexophone. Question 24. And this one? It's Skibidi Toilet Shrek. Question 25. Shrexophone versus Shrekibidi. Which Shrek do you like more? Which dance do you like more? Let us know your opinion by leaving a comment below. Question 26. Do you know this meme song? Good job, it's Elgato in My Mind. Question 27. Which meme song is this?
Ay, dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay.
Amazing, it's Dame tu Cosita.
Ay, dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay.
Question 28. Any ideas? Very easy, right? It's Happy Happy Cat. Question 29. Any guesses? Wonderful, it's Newt Newt meme. Question 30. Which meme do you like the most in this video? Let us know your opinion by leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to Quiz Factory for more fun and interesting quizzes. See you in the next videos.